Adapting to the coronavirus pandemic has been an extreme challenge. Yet the challenges to rural African communities with little access to effective sanitation is even greater, where hand washing practices may be poor due to a lack of knowledge about its benefits. This is a serious issue because the pandemic has highlighted the critical role hand hygiene plays in preventing transmission. And so we ask the question, how can we make hand washing practices more accessible in rural African context? We developed a website called iWash that acts as a carrier for knowledge on DIY water and sanitation technologies, which can be implemented to support education and learning. There are several different hand washing station designs that range in durability and consider local materials and craft as well as user experience. These are available for free in an illustrated DIY manual. We have also created a collection of different comics that explain the importance of washing your hands, how to wash your hands, and in which context it's necessary to wash your hands. For effective knowledge sharing, these comics are also scaled for mobile phone use. We are in the process of testing our designs by running workshops in Ghana with our local sanitation partners and intend to expand the DIY designs to other areas, such as the design of workshops, the development of an educational app, as well as investigating other water and sanitation technologies that are suitable for DIY practices. In 2021, we want to make sure that everyone can build a hand wash station and make hand hygiene a mainstay for their local communities. If you're a wash professional or interested in our work, please visit www.iwash.org to get free access to our education material and the DIY hand wash station design manual. In iWash's commitment to Resilience Week, we would like to thank all our partners for their continued support.